operation on functions. We have example number 1. Let f of x is equal to 10 minus 3x and g of x is equal to 5. Find A, f plus g of x, B, f minus g of x, C, f times g of x, and D, f over g of x. So we will perform the following operations on functions given that the f of x is 3x minus 3 and gx is equal to 5. So we have letter A. F plus g of x. So what are we going to do? When we say f plus g of x, this is equal to f of x plus g of x. We're going to add functions the way we are going to add polynomials. We're going to add integers, or we're going to add real numbers. So f of x plus g of x, so we have 10 minus 3x plus 5. Our f of x is 10 minus 3x, and our g of x is 5. We will combine like terms as what the addition of polynomials told us to do. So, itong 10 at saka 5, i-combine lang natin. Yung negative 3x, hindi natin siya i-combine kasi wala naman siyang other similar term. Wala siyang kapareho na may coefficient na x. So, yung negative 3x will retain as is. Pero kailangan, sinusunod natin yung sign ng negative, ng 3. In this case, negative ang sign ng 3, so we will follow the sign here. So, kung negative dito, negative din dapat siya sa baba. Now, we will add 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, f plus g of x is equal to negative 3x plus 15. Letter B, we have f minus g of x. So, the same concept are we going to apply sa addition, sa subtraction tayo. We have f of x minus g of x. F of x is equal to 10 minus 3x and g of x is equal to 5. Take note that we are subtracting here. So, sa negative 3x, wala tayong gagawin. So, we will do the same. Negative 3x pa rin. Then, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So, therefore, ang ating subtraction, f minus g of x is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Letter C. Fg of x. In multiplication, we are applying special products. We are applying the distributive rules, and we are applying the laws of exponents in order for us to arrive at our simplified answer. In fg of x, this is actually equal to f of x times g of x. So, ang f of x natin, i-multiply natin sa g of x. So, we have 10 minus 3x times 5. We are substituting the functions lang. Then, after that, we will perform the indicated operation as is. So, 10 minus 3x, i-multiply natin sa 5. We will apply the distributive property. So, itong 5 dito, i-distribute natin sa 10. Yung 5 dito, i-distribute natin sa negative 3x. So, magiging 10 times 5 plus negative 3x times 5. Naglagay muna ako dito ng addition para mamaya hindi tayo malito sa signs. 10 times 5 is actually equal to 50. And negative 3x times 5 is equal to negative 15x. We can simplify this one by multiplying 1 to negative 15x. Ang final answer natin dito is 50 minus 15x. So, ito na yung final answer natin. 50 minus 15x. How about letter D? Ang letter D natin is f of g of x. This is division operations of functions. So, ang gawin natin dito, i-divide natin ang f sa g. So, we have f of x divided by g of x. And f of x natin is equal to 10 minus 3x all over 5. You can retain as this one, or we can distribute 5 to 10 and negative 3x over 5. So, magiging 10 over 5 minus 3x over 5. We can divide 10 divided by 5, which is 2, minus 3x over 5. You can have this answer, or you can have this answer as to the division of functions. We have here example number 2. If f of x is equal to 5x plus 3, and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1, solve for a, f plus g of x, b, f minus g of x, c, f g of x, and d, f over g of x. So the same process are we going to apply as our first example. So sa letter A natin, we have f plus g of x. So this is equal to f of x plus g of x. So i-add natin ang 5x plus 3 at saka ang 2x minus 1. Since those are the values of f of x and g of x respectively. So magiging 5x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1. So i-add natin yung mga like term. I-combine natin yung mga like term. So 5x and 2x will be combined. Then yung 3 at saka negative 1, i-combine natin. So magiging 5x plus 2x plus 3 minus 1. You can arrange it para hindi kayo mahirapan when you are combining similar terms. So, i-arrange natin from the highest exponent up to the lowest exponent. So, in descending order po yung pag-arrange natin. So, we have 5x plus 2x. So, 5 plus 2 is actually equal to 7x. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, ang f plus g of x natin is equal to 7x plus 2. We have letter B. F minus g of x. So, ang gagawin natin dito, isasubtract natin ang f of x sa g of x. So, magiging f of x minus g of x. Take note na kung ano ang pagkasunod dito, yun ang dapat ang pagkalagay natin dito. So, kapag g minus f of x, so mauna ang g of x minus f of x. Tandaan po natin yan. Pero in this case, f minus g of x na tayo. So, mauna ang f of x sa g of x. So, magiging 5x plus 3 minus 2x minus 1. In this stage, very crucial itong parenthesis kasi ito ang nag-group sa whole function na g of x. Very crucial kasi kapag hindi natin nilagyan ng, in this case, kapag hindi natin nilagyan ng parenthesis, ang sinasubtract lang natin is ang 2x. So, very crucial ang mga grouping symbols sa ating operation on functions. So, we have our rule in subtraction of polynomials is change the signs of the subtrahend. So, lahat po ito, i-change natin ang sign and then proceed to addition. So, we have 5x plus 3 plus negative 2x plus 1. So, yung positive 2x dito, mapapalitan ng negative. Yung negative 1 dito, mapapalitan ng positive. So, magiging 5x, katulad ng ginawa natin doon kanina, minus 2x plus 3 plus 1. So, sasubtract natin yung 5 at 2, i-add natin ng 3 at 1. So, 5 minus 2, we have 3x. And then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, kapag subtraction, ang answer is 3x plus 4. So we have letter C, fg of x, or f times g of x. So same kanina ang process, so magiging f of x times g of x. Take note, i-multiply natin ang f of x sa g of x. So ang gagawin natin dito, we have f of x, so magiging 5x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. In multiplying binomial and binomial, we are going to use a method called the FOIL method. So FOIL method ang gagamitin natin when we multiply two binomials. So i-illustrate natin ngayon kung paano ang FOIL method. So sa FOIL method, ito ang ating gagawin. Ito first, F stands for first. So, F natin dito stands for first. O stands for outer. I stands for inner. And L stands for last. So, i-label natin dito kung ano ang first, outer, inner, at saka last. Ang 5x at saka 2x, those are the first terms of the binomial. So, ito ang ating F. Ang outer naman, ito yung mga nasa labas na terms ng binomial. So in this case, we have 5x and negative 1. So those indicated in yellow are the outer. Ang inner naman, nasa loob ng operation ng multiplication. So in this case, we have 3 and 2 kasi nasa loob siya. This is indicated by color green. Finally, last terms of the binomial. So, itong 3 at saka negative 1. This is indicated by the grouping symbol by the color brown. So, first, outer, inner, at saka last. I-multiply natin ito based ang FOIL method. So, F, first, O, outer, I, inner, at saka L, last. So, nilabel natin kanina kung anong first, outer, inner, at saka last. So, sa first natin, we have 5x and 2x. So, we have 5x times 2x. Sa outer natin kanina, nilabel natin ang 5x at saka ang negative 1 bilang outer. Ang I naman natin inner, we have 3 times 2x. At saka ang L naman is ang brown, 3 times negative 1. Then, i-multiply natin ito. So, we have 5x times 2x. I-multiply natin itong number. So, we have 10. Then, by loss of exponent, pag nag-multiply tayo ng same base, we will add only the exponent. So we have x, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 10x squared. Now dito, we have 5x times negative 1. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Wala siyang i-multiply na x dito sa kabila, so we will copy only x. So, negative 5x. Sa I naman, we have 3 and 2x. So, 3 natin i-multiply by 2, we have 6. Then, copy x pa din since wala siyang partner na x. At ang last naman, we have 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Ngayon, i-combine na lang natin kung ano yung magkapareho ang terms. So, in this case, the outer and the inner have the same terms. Kasi parehas silang may x. So, i-add na lang natin ang negative 5 at saka ang 6. Negative 5 plus 6, so is equal to positive 1. So, magiging 1x or x na lang. Bakit naging positive 1? In our addition rule in integers, pag magkaiba ang sign, sinasubtract natin ang 6 sa 5. Then, follow the sign of the higher absolute value. So in this case, mas higher ang absolute value ng 6 kesa sa negative 5. So, the sign of 6 is positive, therefore we will follow the rule, the sign of 6 which is positive. So, i-combine na natin ito, at saka ito to get the final answer. So, we have 10x squared plus x minus 3. So, this is now letter C, 10x squared plus x minus 3. We have letter D. Dito na lang natin sa ibaba para mag-cash na tayo. Letter D, f of g of x. So in this case, we are going to divide only 5x plus 3 by 2x minus 1. So magiging f of x all over g of x. And this is equal to f of x is 5x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1. Wala tayong i-divide dito since this is one term and this is 1. Ang binomial natin yung isa, yung binomial sa baba is isa. Hindi natin pwedeng i-distribute ang 2x sa 5 at saka sa 3. Hindi rin natin pwedeng i-distribute ang negative 1 sa 5 at saka 5x at saka sa 3. Therefore, the answer will remain as is. 5x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na 5x divided by 2x, so 5 halves na lang, then 3 over 2x is 3 over 2x. So, hindi yan siya pwede. It is a mortal sin sa mathematics. So, kapag ganyan, stay as is na tayo. 5x plus 3 all over 2x minus 1.